If you're experiencing controller drift while playing FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. This guide will help you identify the problem and take appropriate actions. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in FIFA 24 and look for controller settings. Ensure that the sensitivity and dead zone settings are properly adjusted. Sometimes, recalibrating these settings can help reduce drift. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause joystick drift. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any particles around the joystick. You can also use a microfiber cloth to clean the surface and ensure there is no obstruction. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to the console or PC and check for any available updates. Manufacturers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Test on another device. To determine if the issue is with the controller or the game, test it on another device or game. If the drift persists across different platforms, the controller may need repair or replacement. Step 5. Consider repair or replacement. If none of the previous steps resolve the drift, consider contacting customer support for your controller brand. They may offer repair services or suggest a replacement if the controller is still under warranty. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift issues in FIFA 24. If problems continue, seeking professional help may be necessary.